Bienvenidos. Welcome to you all to this course. In this course, let's review first. Repaso. Try to pronounce after me. Caminar, correr, saltar, escribir, beber, leer, hablar, tomar, ser, estar, tocar, estudiar, trabajar, hacer, limpiar, lavar, bailar, parar, viajar, comprar, lavar, abrir, tener, querer, poder, ir, querer. It's not querer, it's querer. Poder, ir. In this lesson, we are going to learn pronoun or pronouns. Pronouns in Spanish. Try to pronounce after me. Pronombre. 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 Pronoun. Yo. 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 Means I. Él o ella. Él o ella. He or she. Él o ella. He or she. Tú. Tú. Usted. Usted. Usted means you. Both word means you, but tú is used in informal situation, but usted used in formal situations. If you are speaking with friends, you can use tú. But if you are speaking with someone else, with your father or with your teachers, you can use usted. Tú. Usted. Nosotros. 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 Or nosotras. Nosotras means we. Vosotros. Vosotros. Vosotros means you. Vosotros is used in Spain most commonly. Vosotros means you. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. They or you all. Repaso. Let's review all the pronouns. Yo, tú, usted. Yo, tú, usted. Él, ella. Nosotros, vosotros. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. Try to pronounce. Yo, tú, usted. él, ella, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Yo, tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Try to pronounce after me, but this time quickly. Yo, tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Yo, tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Yo, tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Yo means I. Tú or usted means you. Él or ella means he or she. Nosotros means we. Vosotros means you. Ellos, ellas means they. Ustedes means you all. Felicidades, congratulations. In this lesson, we have learned all the pronouns. Review it again. Felicidades. Felicidades.